Why does helium change your voice? You suck in a balloon, and suddenly you sound like a chipmunk. Many people think the gas tightens your vocal cords, but that is a myth. The real reason is physics. Helium is 6 times lighter than the air we normally breathe. Because it is so much less dense, sound waves travel through it nearly 3 times faster. This speed boost doesn't change the pitch of your cords, but it changes the resonance in your throat, amplifying the higher frequencies. So your voice travels faster and sounds squeakier. Fun fact, if you inhaled a heavy gas like sulfur hexafluoride, your voice would sound deep and demonic,